Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting a proper sample. Collect a midstream urine sample in a clean container and bring it to room temperature. This rules out temperature artifacts. Once done, observe how long foam lasts and whether it appears immediately or after agitation, because persistent, rapid foam suggests proteinuria. Make sure to stop any recent new supplements or diuretics and note high-protein meals in the last 24 hours, since diet and meds often explain transient foam. You next evaluate causes. Perform a urine dipstick checking protein, glucose, and leukocytes, plus specific gravity because concentrated urine foams more. Once you see a positive protein trace, repeat the test after adequate hydration and normal diet to rule out transient values. If protein persists, order urine microscopy and a urine protein to creatinine ratio or 24-hour urine protein to quantify loss. These tests tell you how much protein and guide whether you complete management by treating reversible causes. Hydrate if concentrated, stop offending meds, and treat infections or endocrine issues that increase protein loss. This often resolves foamy urine. Once done, monitor with repeat urine protein and serum creatinine. Refer to nephrology if protein exceeds 0. 3 grams per day, albuminuria progresses, or kidney function declines. If foam persists despite normal labs, make sure sampling technique and container cleanliness weren't the problem. Retest to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.